Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need a pro account and the latest app. Once done, open your profile and tap Creator Tools, then Analytics. Start on the Overview tab to see video views, profile views, and followers. This gives immediate signals about recent performance. Make sure to set the date range, 7, 28, or 60 days, so you compare the right window. Do this first because it frames every decision that follows. Without the correct range, your comparisons will mislead you and waste testing time. Now drill into content and followers. Look at average watch time and completion rate because longer views boost distribution. Compare posts by view velocity. The first 24 hours matter, so identify which hook and thumbnail drove early clicks. Then check audience, age, gender, and peak activity hours. This tells you when to post. Also examine traffic source types, for you versus following, so you know if algorithmic reach or followers drove views, and plan changes accordingly. Apply insights by making a simple hypothesis. Change the hook or thumbnail, then post 2 variations and track results over 7 days. Use metrics, average watch time, completion rate, and CTR to decide the winner and repeat the winning element across future posts. If analytics fail to show data, try obvious fixes. Update the app, clear cache, or toggle Pro account off and back on. If still empty, wait 24 hours for processing. Keep testing and iterate. The data guides growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.